Imagine being able to turn hours of recorded talk, interviews, or long live streams into dozens of shareable clips with just a few clicks. You can finally skip the headache of struggling with a giant timeline for hours or wrestling with complex software that feels like it was made for film editors. A couple years ago, that would have sounded like wishful thinking, but now it's totally real if you use the right tools. You probably know Descript and how magical it is to edit a video like a text doc, but there is an even faster way. If you're a creator who needs to turn long-form content into a steady stream of social clips, there's an even more hands-off way called Vizard. Let me walk you through how Vizard works in a way that actually makes sense for creators. When you first hop into Vizard, you land on the project dashboard, which acts as your central content hub. You can upload a full podcast, a recorded live stream, or a long YouTube video, or just connect your channel and pull recordings straight in. Everything gets stored in the cloud, so you don't have to sync your hard drive into the deep end. Create a new project, drag in your video, and Vizard immediately starts analyzing it. This is where Vizard separates itself by moving beyond simple transcriptions. Instead of giving you a raw transcript and leaving you to slice and dice, Vizard runs an AI pass to find the moments that actually matter. It pinpoints the funny bits, the strong takes, the quotable one-liners, and the parts that are likely to go viral. It auto-generates a batch of ready-to-post clips in different aspect ratios, and it even suggests captions and thumbnail frames. So instead of hunting for 10 good clips from a 2-hour episode, Vizard surfaces them for you in mere minutes. Now, don't get me wrong. Tools like Descript are awesome when you want super fine-grained text-first editing. However, they can feel manual and slow if you're trying to scale your repurposing efforts. That's exactly where Vizard shines, as it is built for creators who want to post more, faster, without turning every job into an editing marathon. Okay, let's get back to the walkthrough. After Vizard analyzes your long video, you can preview the clips it picked. The interface is stupidly simple. The left side shows the original timeline, and the middle is a preview window where you can quickly scrub and watch clips. On the right, you have quick controls for captions, templates, aspect ratios, and publishing options. If you want to tweak a clip start or end, you can drag the handles just like a normal editor. If you want to combine two suggested moments into a single highlight, you can merge them effortlessly. If a suggested clip needs a little polish, you can trim, add a quick caption card, or choose a pre-built template that fits your channel vibe. Vizard also auto-generates captions with strong accuracy and offers quick styling so your subtitles actually look like they belong on your feed. You can change fonts, highlight colors, or pick a caption preset tuned for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. And if you want translated subtitles, Vizard can create those too, which is huge if you want to reach an international audience without extra manual work. One of the life-saving features is the auto-editing viral clips engine. Instead of telling you here's everything, it tells you here's what's most likely to hit, which saves you hours of scanning and guessing. For creators who publish daily or several times a week, that adds up to massive time saved. Realistically, you can shave off 70 to 90% of the time you'd normally spend turning a long episode into short clips. You don't have to manually hunt for the moments or recreate the same crop across platforms because the AI does it for you. Another thing I love is the content calendar. After you've approved clips, you can drop them into your calendar, tweak captions, and see a visual schedule of what's going live when. The calendar is not just a planner, it's a live, editable workflow where you can move clips around and keep everything organized. If you've ever lost track of which episode produced which clip, or which clip goes to which platform, this feature fixes that chaos instantly. And here's the real time saver: auto schedule. Once you set your posting frequency and preferred platforms, Vizard can automatically schedule clips for you. It handles the timing, puts them into your platform queues, and posts at the cadence you chose. You still keep full control, but the heavy lifting of distribution is entirely automated. For anyone worried about quality, Vizard keeps things flexible. You can apply quick fixes, crop to a different aspect ratio, add an intro, mute a noisy bit, or swap a thumbnail. If you want richer editing, you can always export the clip to your favorite NLE. But for most social-first creators, the one-click templates plus quick manual tweaks are all you need to get studio-level output. I should say a quick word about collaboration, because Vizard projects are cloud-based and incredibly easy to share. Invite teammates, give different permissions, or leave notes on clips. Because everything lives in one place, you won't be digging through email or your desktop for source files. Compare that to traditional workflows. Upload to a heavy editor, spend an hour hunting highlights, then export, convert, and upload manually. That's just not realistic if you want to be consistent with your output. Vizard's goal is fewer decisions, faster output, and more consistent publishing. There are also some neat quality-of-life AI features worth mentioning. Vizard can detect filler words and low-energy sections and suggest tighter cuts for your clips. You can even set rules, like only pulling clips of a certain length, so the AI knows exactly what to look for. When you're done assembling everything, publishing is simple. Click Publish and choose whether you want to export files or publish directly to platforms. Vizard supports direct publishing to major socials, so you can set captions, thumbnails, and posting times without leaving the app. Or, if you just want the assets for a team member to post, export optimized files, and you're good to go. So what's the bottom line? If you love the idea of editing like a document, Descript is a brilliant choice for deep text edits. But if your daily goal is to turn long-form episodes into a steady stream of viral-ready social clips, Vizard is the workflow win. It cuts down repetitive tasks, automates clip discovery, handles captioning, and lets you focus on making content. If you're serious about scaling your channel, getting more clips out, and staying consistent, give Vizard a shot. Pull in a long episode, let it auto-generate clips, pick a few winners, and watch how much time you get back. I promise, once you see your content turning into a predictable feed of short clips with minimal effort, you'll understand why creators are switching. Alright, that's the quick tour. I hope this made the whole idea of rapid repurposing make sense. If you're curious, hit the link in the description to try Vizard for yourself. You'll save hours every week and actually enjoy publishing again. See you in the next one.